Hey guys, welcome back. So today on this video, we are talking about Betterment, and more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question that I've gotten a lot lately, and that is, how do you connect a bank account to your Betterment account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect a bank account or a funding source to your Betterment account? Well, that's pretty easy. Betterment's definitely one of the more popular investing apps out there, and in order to fund your investments, you do need to connect a bank account, and it's all handled here in the app. It's this blue and yellow one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open my Betterment app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Betterment app. This is the home screen here. Here on the home screen, you're going to see various information or pop-ups about your account. But if you want to connect a funding account, what you want to do is click right here on this button called Let's Go under Connect a Funding Account. If you don't see it here, you can click on this hamburger menu here on the top left. Once you click there, you're going to get this drop-down menu, and you can click here on Settings. Here on the Settings account, you can look here for funding accounts, and either way, it's going to bring you here to this page right here. So it lets you know you do need to connect a bank account to fund your cash reserve and investment goals. So go ahead and click on this blue Connect a Bank Account button. Next, you will need to enter in your password or authenticate your account with your thumb or your Face ID, depending on which phone you're using. I'm going to use my Face ID now. Okay guys, so once you do that, it's going to bring you here to the Connect Institution screen. So they give you two different options. You can connect instantly by using a company called Plaid. You will need to use your bank username, not your Betterment account. You also need to use your bank password. That gives Plaid access to your bank account to verify. Some people are not comfortable with that. If you're not, you want to click on this button here called Connect Manually instead. It takes 1 to 2 business days. And basically what they're going to do is they're going to deposit a small amount of money into your bank account. Once it goes through, then you'll come back here and verify those transactions amounts. Usually it's $1 or like 75 cents, and then another transaction for, I don't know, like 83 cents. And then immediately they're going to debit that out of your account. It's not free money. Once you verify those transactions here, then your account would be connected to your Betterment account. For me, I don't mind using Plaid, so I'm going to do that, and it goes through immediately. So I'm going to click on this blue Connect Instantly button. Okay, next it's going to pop up with this screen letting you know more information about that company, Plaid. Many of the online platforms use this company. It's a pretty normal process. So I'm going to click on Get Started. Next, you want to choose your banking institution. If you don't see your bank, you want to click right here. If you're not able to find your bank, then you're going to have to use the long process that I just described a moment ago. For me, I bank with Chase, so I'll click here. Okay, next, Plaid is asking me to enter in my Chase Bank user ID and password. I know it seems kind of strange, but it's a pretty normal process, and I'm okay with it. So I'm going to enter that in off screen. Okay, next, Chase Bank needs to verify it's okay with me to connect my bank account through Plaid. So in order to verify my identity, I need to either have them text me or call me on the phone or email. So I'm going to choose email, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, so my bank emailed me the code, so I'm going to jump over to my email, grab the code, and paste it in here. Okay, so that actually took about 2 minutes while it was processing after entering the code, but then a few minutes later, I get this pop-up, success, sweet, your institution is now connected. So I'm going to click on continue. Now they're letting me know they're gathering the data. Okay, so next it gives me a list of all of my Chase accounts, which is kind of weird because a lot of times they'll give you the option on which accounts you want to connect. However, with Betterment, they immediately connect all accounts that you have with that bank. So go ahead and click on finish. Next, they give you the option on what you would like to use for your funding source. So I'm going to choose my checking, and I'm going to click finish. Okay, and then you get this pop-up saying my funding source was now added. So let me go back to the home screen, and now your bank account is connected to your Betterment account. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to connect or add your bank account or your funding source to Betterment, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.